Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add music on Videoleap. So let's head first to Videoleap. What is Videoleap? Videoleap is a premium video editing software. By premium, I mean you need to pay for it. But right now, I have Videoleap on free trial, which you can also have it for yourself. It has 7-day free trial. And after that, you can just pay for it for, I think, around $80 per year, which is a good deal, if you ask me. So if you go look over here in Videoleap, you can see there's a lot of features that it has. And now what we just need to do in order to add a music on Videoleap is you just need to go to audio and then click on music. And as you can see here in Storyblocks, you will see music that is ready to be accessed from the library of Videoleap. If anything else, you can also access your own music by going to My Music here, which will send you to your own file manager. But for now, let's just head over to Storybox. Just click on download the music because it's from an online library, which means that if you are offline, you may not be able to access and use most of the music that Videoleap has in its library. So right now we just need to wait for it to finish downloading. Alright, now that it's finished downloading, you can see that it has added the music right into the video itself. And if we play the music, it has some music obviously. So aside from that, you can also change the volume, whatever you want it to be here, either mute it to, add some fade. It's all at your fingertips. So like, yeah, if you head over down here and you start editing the other parts of the video, you might see that the audio or the music will be minimized. And in order to access that again, just click on the music icon up here and it will send you back to the music. And that's it. That is how you can add music on audio. I hope you like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.